Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I will show you how to log in Telegram without email in detailed steps. So, let's start the video. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. How to log in Telegram without email using phone number? Telegram's login process is designed for simplicity and security. However, if you easily want to log into your Telegram account, open Telegram and tap on Start Messaging. Select your country code and input your phone number. Telegram will send a 5-digit code via SMS. Enter this code to verify your number. If you're logged into Telegram on another device, the code might be sent there instead of via SMS. How to link Telegram to another device? Same as WhatsApp, Telegram allows you to access your account across devices with the Link Device feature. By using this way, you are able to log into Telegram without entering a phone number or email as long as you have a Telegram account. For this, open the Telegram app on your mobile phone. Navigate to Settings, and then Devices. Tap on Link Desktop Device. It will ask you to scan the QR code. This time, open Web, Telegram, org or the Telegram desktop app. Use your smartphone to scan the on-screen code, and you're done to use Telegram without a phone number. So, this is all about how to log in Telegram without email on phone in detailed steps. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.